Welcome back. Today we are at my listing at 121 Seville Road. We just lowered the price very substantially, and the new list price is $2,450,000. I'm going to take you inside this amazing house, tell you all the amenities, and then let you know a little bit more about the south end of West Palm. Come on in. 121 Seville Road is located south of Southern Boulevard and just north of the spillway to Lake Worth. This property is 11,850 square feet, and the home itself is 5,702 square feet. We have over 5,000 square feet under air conditioning in this palatial estate in the south end of West Palm. This home boasts 6 bedrooms and 5 full bathrooms. In addition to that, there is a 7th bonus room, which is currently being used as an office. Located immediately off of the great room once you enter the house is this fabulous backyard. This backyard and pool are seen from the master bedroom above, the kitchen, and as well as the great room when you enter. The backyard also has a spiral staircase to the master bedroom, but additionally has covered space, which is behind you, for loggia, outdoor seating, and dining. When touring this home, both in person and on this video, you will notice a lot of empty spaces, or spaces that could be both living and or dining. The space directly off of the kitchen, as it stands right now, is set up as a living space, but originally it was a dining room for the kitchen. But these homeowners actually had 2 separate dining situations, one at the front door when you walk in, and then another one immediately off of the kitchen. The kitchen has 2 separate areas as well. So on one side of the kitchen, you have an informal, casual, let's say TV room, whereas the other side of the kitchen has more of the dining ability, even though right now it's set up as a living space. On the first floor of this home, we have 3 full bedrooms and that office. That could be your 4th bedroom downstairs. I'm not going to be able to show you every single bedroom in this video, but we will show you a few. The layout of this house is actually pretty spectacular. You have 3 stacked bedrooms on the first floor, and then you have 3 stacked bedrooms upstairs. So no matter what your family or your living situation needs are, you pretty much can have them covered in this house. The kitchen loans itself to 2 separate areas. 1, the pool area, and then 2, a covered loggia facing due east. That area is fantastic for dining. You can set up a little fire pit for the winters, and it's great for cocktail parties. If privacy with water views is what you're looking for, I've got it for you here. If you need time and space away from your kids, if you need time away from your guests or your in-laws, this master suite is sick. We've got this cool bar area here that they just installed. So you've got the sink and the coffee bar for the morning or wine at night, which leads you to the master bedroom, which has fantastic views of the Intracoastal waterway and Flagler Drive. So far, I've given you a pretty good tour of the inside of 121 Seville, but you really need to get a load of this that's behind me, which is Flagler Drive, the Intracoastal waterway, and just the sick views that we have from this house. This house gives you 5,700 square feet under roof, but you also get 700 square feet of balcony space. I mean, this is a pretty great space to entertain at night or just to hang out alone and be peaceful and quiet. So if you would like a tour of this home, I would love to take you on it. Please give me a buzz anytime and I'm all yours. Have a great day.